everybody? Hope everybody's doing good on the line today. So yesterday, this is where I shot the shout out video, was back in here, and there's this trail coming through that I had set, and you can see it. It's real faint right here, and I put a snare right here right after I did the video, 10 and 10, and we got a nice light yoke waiting on us this morning. So yeah, all the way by the neck, good catch. So gonna take care of him and move on. Good start to the year. Let's see if we got anything else. I'll let you know. Talk to you guys in a little bit. So this is some of the stuff I love to see for canines. Cornfield path, path to a field. So I got a flat set over here and then a dirt hole right here on this corner. So yeah, this will be good. I just got all my sets redone. They were soaked. We got rain for 2 days. It's finally over. So I'm just doing equipment checks and redoing my line. If I catch anything, I'll let you know. This is the snare I showed you guys the other day. Now you can see it right there. The loop's kind of jacked up, but I set it on these game trails. You know, there's a nice trail coming through, and then the loop's kind of jacked up, but I have it about 8 inches off the ground. That's for fox. Now I move it up a couple inches for yotes, and what I do is I've used a funnel down spot, and I'll kind of drape the grass over a little bit, so if it's a coyote, he has to duck his head, and that way allows you to catch them that way too, because they're not always going to be running with their head up. They're canines, you know. You don't know if they're going to have their nose down. You don't know if they're going to have their head up. So kind of guide them in a natural funnel down. And then, you know, if the snare's set high and you're trying to catch fox 2 and you have it set at 10, take a stick and place it, you know, just something subtle in front of the snare like that, and it kind of guides their head up into the loop. So, you know, that's just a little tip. It's one of the things that I do, and that's how I kind of catch them both. But I love hitting these little game trails. They're everywhere. Works pretty good for me, so I thought I'd share that. All right, you guys have a good day.